Welcome back. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this eyelashes, magnetic eyelashes that was sent to me by Wake Up and Makeup by Belle Chloe.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy.
So I'm going to be reviewing, I chose to review, alright, because I believe most of us might or know how to apply magnetic eyelashes. So I'm going to be reviewing and we're going to be trying it all. You all can tell I already have my makeup on, but I don't have lashes on. I don't even have what is it called, mascara on right now. So this is just my barely there natural lashes. All right, so I'm going to be reviewing their products today, and at the same time I'm going to be doing the application. Okay, on their website they have 4 different styles. All right, so before we jump into this, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified every time I upload. All right, so without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into this video review. And I believe they are kind of into ambassador kind of a thing, so that is an hint for you there. If you think you would like to review their products, you might want to go on their website and go through to the bottom and see if they have I think they do, and you can reach out to them. Maybe you also can, you know, do the same thing that I'm doing, or even do it much more better. All right, so this is this Wake Up and Makeup. This is how it came in. This is the packaging. So inside there we have this, and they wrap it up like this again, and they also have the says that say Wake Up and Makeup. So I'm gonna unwrap it. Okay, and this is it right here. It says Wake Up and Makeup, good morning. Right there. So we're gonna go on and unbox it. So it comes with an applicator, I guess. Yes, this is the applicator right here, which I might not be using because I feel much more comfortable using my hand. And well, I will give it a try because I don't want to poke myself. I believe if I poke myself with my fingernails, it's you know, might not hurt as much as if something like this poke me in my eye. So they have the instruction card in here, applying with the applicator, which I already showed you before. So they just have this small thing going on. The applicator instructions, and they have it written at the back, all right, which I'm not going to be reading because I don't want to prolong this. So like I said earlier on, they have about 4 styles on their website. It's called Wake Up and Makeup Pre-Cut Magnetic Lashes by Belle Chloe. All right, so when they reach out to me, I chose the style that is called Double Demi Whipsies. That's what I chose, and it's the silky soft wispers. Complete your daytime beauty look with a graceful and delicate touch. They are softer on the inner corner and longer on the outer corner for the forever glam wind out effect. The bottom define up 3 individual pieces that provide a perfect fit. So when I open it, this is how it's looking, guys. These are the bottom ones, and this is the, of course, the upper one. And we have this right here, and also has a mirror, so you can see that it looks like it's cloudy, but it's not. It's the film that is used to cover it, so we have to remove that. That's why they have this red thing that says remove. So I'll go ahead and remove it. So when I tried to when I was removing the, you know, the film that they used to cover the mirror, of course I kind of realized that the bottom one are not meant for our bottom lashes. They are supposed to support the one that will be putting on top. All right, so I thought to quickly make that correction before I move on this video. Okay, The bottom one, like I said, they are not for the bottom lashes, they are meant to support the upper one. I should have thought about that because this is magnetic. I'm not going to be using any kind of adhesive, so I should be able to have something to support it. So I am going to recommend, that's my recommendation, in order for you to be able to see what you are really doing, I'm going to recommend you use a mascara as a foundation, because that will thicken your natural lashes a little bit, so you'll be able to have that as foundation, if that makes sense. All right, so that's what I'm about to do before we move on into this application. So I'm going to go off the camera, do my mascara, then I'll come back and we jump into this application. All right. Guys, okay, you see how I'm bending my neck so it doesn't fall? It's not stable yet, so we're gonna pick the one of the bottom one, and we hold it like this. I need the mirror. Oh my goodness. Welcome back. Yes, this video is in two parts, and the reason why it is in two parts and you're seeing different look is because I tried to refilm this particular one. All right, you all must have seen in the beginning how I struggle with applying these lashes. So I'm going to say ahead of time before I move on, if you are not really good with applying false lashes, this is not beginner friendly. The product is good and they have amazing product on their website, but I just want to let you know this is not the kind of magnetic lashes that I think it will be beginner friendly. It is not beginner friendly. That's the ultimate truth. You all know I will tell you the truth. It is not beginner friendly. This is my second take, as in my second try of doing it in order for me to present it good for you guys. The first time I tried it, after I was watching the video when I was done shooting, I noticed some imperfection. So I wanted to give it a try again, and also to let you guys know that this is not beginner friendly. It will take a couple of practices for you to be able to get it right. There are some magnetic lashes out there that they have the bottom and the top like in strip form, while this, the one that you will use to support their individuals. That's why I feel like this is not beginner friendly. I have no problem with the products. The quality is good, the packaging is beautiful, and every other thing on their website, but the application is what I'm trying to let you guys know. It is not beginner friendly. All right. Alright ladies, this is the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.